Dear students, following question is a 1 mark question from topic of permeability and seepage. Though this is based on direct formula, I have tried to explain what is the concept behind this formula. So I hope you will see this explanation carefully. Here two soil interfaces are given, soil 1 and soil 2 are given, and theta 1 and theta 2, theta 1 is mentioned, and it is said that in the given flow diagram, soil 1 has permeability of 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter per second, and soil 2 has permeability of 1 into 10 to the power minus 4 per second. Value of theta 1 and theta 2 is given. That means that suppose a flow line is flowing along this line and it will deflect as its flow media will change. So let us say theta 1 was its initial angle. What will be the angle of or value of theta 2? If you say here that let us say AB and CD are two lines that are drawn in soil 1 and soil 2 respectively, and let us assume that cross-sectional area of this soil is 1 unit. So discharge Q taking through place through AB will be given by K1 into I1 into AB. If this height of AB is, let us say, not height of AB, in fact the potential for the fall that is taking place from phi 1 to phi 2, because these are two equipotential lines. So let us say these two are separated by distance h. So I1 will be given by delta h upon length upon which this fall is taken place. That is, in our case, I have marked this as ABCD. So delta h is change of head in traveling the length of AC. So delta h upon AC will be the value of I1 into AB. Similarly, for other side, since applying equation of continuity for flow through soil 1 and soil 2, it will be K2 into I2 into CD. So K2 into delta H upon BD into CD can be written as K1 upon K2 equal to AC upon AB into CD upon BD. Now we know that the equipotential line and these phi lines, that is streamlines, they are perpendicular to each other. So if this angle is 90 degree, this complete angle is 90 degree. This angle automatically comes out as phi 1. So if this is 90, this is phi 1. AC upon AB can be written as theta 1 and tan theta 1 in fact, and I'm writing it as tan theta 1 upon tan theta 2, and CD upon BD, CD upon BD can also be written as 1 upon tan theta 2. So it comes out as tan theta 1 upon tan theta 2, which upon simplification gives theta 2 as 10 degree 53 minutes. And in the nutshell, the formula becomes K1 upon K2 equal to theta 1 upon theta 2. Both it not like that. In fact, it is tan theta 1 upon tan theta 2. So correct answer comes out as 10 degree 53 minutes. Thank you.